Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a document or photo on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, you might want to do this because let's say you have a very important document that you need to prove later that it has never been tampered with or edited. So to do that, you have to take advantage of something called hash or hashing, hashes, whatever you want to call it. Now, the way you put something on the blockchain, the Bitcoin blockchain specifically, is you come to this website, proofofexistence.com, and you drag your photo or document right here. So I'm going to open up my files and drag my company's logo in here. And you can see it gives me a receive address. So I have to send money here. It's only like $1.60 or something, or it's under $2 at the moment to have this transaction completed. Once this transaction is complete, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And you can see my transaction ID, and then you can see there's these buttons right here. I'm going to click on SmartBit. Now this is going to show me my OP return, which is the document's hash or the logo's hash. It's also going to show me how much the transaction was at the time. It's going to show me the date, the inputs, outputs, the block size, the fee, etc. And what block number I was put into, or this document was put into. So there's my block number and all that technical good stuff. So technically right here, this is the image. This OP return is my logo. And the way I would prove that is by going to proof of existence right here and taking that document. I did this logo specifically, my old one. This one is a little pixelated. You can see compared to this new one. So I took the pixelated logo and I put that on the blockchain. Now, if I drag that into proof of existence right here, it's instantly going to give me a congratulations, because this hash right here, this OP return, matches up with the transaction on the blockchain. So right there, that's proof that this logo is already on the blockchain, and I have never edited this logo since this date, February 3rd, 2020, at 12:05 a.m. Now, another way you can prove this is by going to hash.online-convert.com/SHA-256-generator. And right here, you can drag a document or photo in where it says choose file. I'm just going to drag the logo in right here. Then you come down here to convert file, and it's going to convert it into a SHA-256 hash. Now, what you want to do is take this hex right here, this thing that says hex, the first line. You can copy it and go to SmartBit or whatever service you use. Click Control F, Control V, and you'll see it's right there in the OP return. And what I did there is I just verified that this logo is really on the blockchain by using a third party. And the third party was online dash convert whatever SHA-256, whatever that address was right here. So I just proved that it really is the logo by using a third party. Now you can go to a bunch of different websites and keep putting your logo or your document into it, and you're going to keep getting the same hex or hash or OP return, whatever you want to call it. There probably is a proper term that it should be, but it kind of changes based on what you're doing. Like in this case with Bitcoin, it's called an OP return hash. Here, it's just a regular hash. Because this isn't a Bitcoin transaction, this is just a conversion. So that part gets a little complicated, but now you know how to utilize the Bitcoin blockchain for documentation. So thank you for watching.